I'm gonna get the hiccups here in a second.
Luther, alright, go for the water. Yeah, you might have to put that wing down, Luther.
The first half of my BLT tasted so much better now.
I've got the hiccups already. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to finish these. Anything.
Come on, come on.
You're in it.
Come on,
Luther. Go now.
Sign like you're
Come
nothing,
hiccups.
dude.
Oh, it's not good.
Like, this is bullshit. This ain't even hot.
I think Si's like, why did you get me into this? Like, this is just dumb.
I'm serious about it, man. He's trying to challenge me.
Matt's like,
Luther, you
Luther's
tapping?
like, screw that straw.
are you tapping already, Luther?
Matt 2 in?
Yeah, Matt's too late.
Matt's 2 in. Come on, Luther, let's go.
You got two? Wow.
Let's go.
I'm like
Big bites,
toast
big
already.
bites.
Oh my gosh, you're even using your hands? Wow, like
Oh yeah, the beer comes
Oh, dude, you got something right here by your eye. You want
I'm already
Do they have milk here? You gotta need glasses of milk.
I'm already
You can do it, Matt. Come on. You're in this. All right, Son. Come on. Come on, son.
I'm already crying. Back here.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
You got some carrots and stuff on the side there. Don't forget about that.
Don't fill them on the carrots.
Come on, Luther.
Yeah, Son. Come on.
You got this.
You eat all 12
Oh,
of them,
he
you
got
get
some
a
of his
picture made
beer.
with the girls. You didn't say they got a 55-gallon drum for
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Do it. Do one more.
Come
Big
on.
bite.
10 more.
All right, Matt.
It's not gonna hurt any more than it does now.
It hurts the back of your throat.
6 wings between the three is got
So hot.
I mean, you
I
got
feel
that
dizzy.
Come on, Matt.
One more. One
You
more.
got,
Come
each
on.
got two?
Sai, come on, Sai.
Are you 2 in? You're 2 in, right?
Come on, Luther. Let's go, Luther. You can do it.
Luther, you got two?
I'm done, man.
Luther's out.
You got one?
You got another glass of water.
You
Come
gotta
on.
take them to work and like save them, you know.
No way.
It's not going to get any hotter. You might as well just go.
They're probably better tomorrow. You should just try it again.
Oh, it will not be better.
Careful. Careful.
He probably ate all 12 of his.
I think Matt's got that.
On 3 in. Woo! Come on, boy. Come on, Matt.
Come on, Matt.
Let's go, Luther. Come on.
Luther's out.
Right, Sai. You got it.
Should have got a straw in this beer.
There you go. Yeah.
Just take your straw and put it in your beer. I ain't gonna judge you. Chili cheese stop.
My body is vibrating.
I noticed that you're shaking when you're.
You got this, Sai. Come on. All right, Luther. Come on. Don't tap yet.
Oh man, you are shaking.
We got 3 in you, Matt. Come on.
I'm gonna reiterate. HGTV is system, no.
Hashtag HCTV.
I don't think I can do it.
How many in? You got 3 now?
You got. Come on.
I debated even coming in with this.
Sai's got 2 in.
I wanted life insurance.
Right, literally.
Watch out.
When you eat one, is it pain again or is it the same pain?
Pain again. Oh, I'm still in pain from the first.
Oh, your eyes are red.
Yeah.
You only had one?
That was a good one. You just took a shot of
They double that notch I need that first one.
I mean, if you need somebody to wipe your face or whatever, let us know. We'll help.
He's like,
I can't even smell that.
All right, Matt. You're doing good.
You got what?
One more, dude.
Matt?
Let's do one more.
But I don't taste this.
Yeah, you might as well let me eat that.
What are you gonna do with the other ones?
I'm gonna put them up their ass.
It sounds nice.
You got the hiccups yet?
I I did, but I've surpassed the hiccups.
Now he's just shaking.
Say, you still in?
Come on, son. I did 3.
So Luther, what do you want for lunch?
I think he wants carrots.
Carrots, ranch, and
You got one more, Matt?
Wow, look at
Size.
Sai.
Size coming
Size
Sai's
in.
a trooper, dude.
What?
He's gonna tie you at least. He's on number 3.
Yeah, this is 3 for side.
I don't care.
I don't care. This is the one thing though.
But you're good at this. Come on, you're not gonna let him beat you, are you?
Nothing matters.
Nothing matters right now. Just somebody shoot me.
he's shaking right now. He thinks his life is over.
This is the ultimate man challenge. This is you've got one more, and there's no way Sai can beat you. You need somebody to wipe your eyes. Be careful, dude. Just be careful. Are you using the fork, Bailey? That's me. Just don't get that shit in your eyes, dude. That would be bad.
You got one more. Pressure. Come on, son.
Come on, one
Make
more.
that look bad. Come on.
Come on, son. You can do it, bro.
Have a tater tot.
Yeah. This is painful. I didn't even do as many of those guys.
Get a glass of milk. You like milk?
Luther can barely talk.
Get a glass of whole milk.